As a beginner forex trader, especially while trading highly volatile pair like XAU USD, one of the worst mistakes you can make in your forex trading journey is jumping from one forex trading strategy to the other. This week you try ICT, next week you try demand and supply, the other week you try ICC. And what this makes you is to become confused, inconsistent, and even frustrated. I only started making profits from forex trading when I started focusing on only one strategy, which I'm going to show you in simple step-by-step guide how you can do it. But then, why should you even focus on one strategy when there are many options available for you to strategize with? One of such reasons is that consistency beats variety. And the reason is because trading is not about knowing too much. It's not about knowing complexities and complications. It's about understanding the simple things and how to do them consistently over time. Imagine that you have 10 strategies and compare yourself to someone that has only one strategy that works, right? So the most important thing is you are focused on one that actually works. Because if you are testing from one to the other, you're confusing the brain on what exactly to focus on when to make the right entry, on when to make the right exit, because one strategy usually contradicts the other. Now imagine the focus level of someone who is using only one strategy and someone who has a lot of strategies on the table that test one after the other. The speed, the consistency, and the result over time is usually not the same. And another reason you need just one strategy is to eliminate the emotional confusion, because one of the reasons why you might be having more losses than profit is because you are not even sure of exactly that entry you are making. But let's say, for instance, that you are trading gold, you use ICC strategy. What it will make you is that you always already know that you only make your entry during continuation, right? And when you're making your entry during continuation, this simply means that you have no emotional doubt. You are just stable. You already know that, man, this is all I'm waiting for. This is my only strategy. I trust this strategy since it really actually works. Using just one strategy will also help you to have a real skill and not trading based on luck. Because if you are testing different strategy, you are just testing. You are just trying to see if things work. You are just trying to see if you will be lucky. But if you have just one strategy that is working, what you are now doing is mastering the skill of using that strategy effectively to make your entry, to make your exit, to decide exactly when to be in that trade or whether to even be trading or not. Because the truth is that when you have a particular strategy, you will not always be trading because there is no way your setup will always be available. So some of the time you may not be trading. So it will help you to minimize the number of trades you take, which leads us to another reason why you need to master one strategy. It helps you to overcome overtrading. Overtrading is one of the reasons why most people blow up accounts, because when you are not sure of a particular strategy that is working that you are using, you begin to see a lot of opportunities to buy or sell. You begin to see reason to always stay on the chart. But when you have only one strategy, you now know you are waiting for a setup. You now know that there is something you are working on. You now know that in this skill of your forex trading career, you are waiting for the continuation in this ICC strategy so that you buy and then the market will continue to play out. So now that you have a reason to use only one strategy, it's also important that you choose a strategy that is simple. As a beginner forex trader, you actually need not just a strategy that works, but a strategy that is not too complex, that is not too complicated, that will be easy for you to actually follow through and master the skill over time. And then that's the reason that I suggest that you use ICC strategy, ICC concept as a beginner forex trader. And the reason is ICC is simple: indication, correction, and continuation. The reason I can always tell you that ICC is the most simple is that you are just looking for three things. The push, which is indication that price is going up or down. And then the pullback, the correction, you are still waiting, you're not even trading. And then the continuation, and that is the only moment you get into the trade. It is simple in the sense that you are just visually looking at the chart and waiting for a particular thing, which is an entry, and that is the continuation phase. So I'm going to show you how you can trade using the ICC strategy. The next reason that you need ICC strategy is that it is good if you are trading gold because it has structures. ICC strategy helps you to understand the structures which XAUUSD already have, helping you to see the structure of the indication, the correction, and that of the continuation as well. So the ICC concept help you to ride the momentum without chasing mere candles or fast movements. It helps you to avoid catching a falling knife. Yeah, you see a particular candle, oh, it's pushing up, you think it will go up, you zoom into the trade. And if you're using ICC strategy, you will rarely be tempted to make such an entry in your trading journey. The next reason I suggest you use the ICC strategy is that it gives you a clear, logical understanding of the market. You are not just trading based on impulse. You are trading based on the reality you are seeing on the chart. Because ICC helps you to understand price moves. You see the logic, the next move, the next leg, where the market movers are going to, and you are waiting. Now they are coming back to grab liquidity. You are still waiting. And now they make another structure showing that they are continuing that direction. Then you go with them. It's just as simple as that. The next reason that you need ICC strategy is that it helps you to be consistent. Like when you are only waiting for three things all the time to make your entry, indication, correction, you enter on continuation. The next time you are looking for exactly the same setup. So it helps you to be consistent with your Forex trading skill. Not today you're trying this, tomorrow you're trying the other, but everything you are actually saying it. You just may not be placing a lot of trades because you are waiting for just a particular time, which is the continuation phase. And the ICC also helps you to have a proper risk management because your stop loss is now below the correction since you are trading based on the continuation. Now, if you're wondering how you can trade using the ICC strategy, the video on your screen right now will help you.